Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be creating the card model so that we can start adding things into a card. So to get started with, let's create a model called card with a migration, and then let's go to create cards table. And then here we want to essentially have two different things. We want to have the ability to relate this to a user, which needs to be constrained in the user table and cascade on delete. And then we just want to have an UUID called card ID. And those two are the primary things we want inside the cards table, because we're going to have a card items table as well. We can create this in the same here, or we could create it in a new one. Because this is so small, I'm going to just leave it in here for now. You may want to create yourself a new migration for this, but it's up to you. So we just want to have the blueprint included here with the table. We just want to say table ID. We want to have table for an ID called card ID constrained to the cards table. We want to cascade on the lead. Then we want to have one called use ID. There's a product ID. And then here we want to just mention this for the products table. And then we want to have the ability to have the variant displayed as well. And I think we need to store this in JSON because it may be a nested variant be picking up. And then we want to have an integer of quantity and timestamps here. So if we go ahead and migrate this, you can now see if I go in here that we have the cards and the cards item table. Perfect. And actually we want to roll this back just a minute to say so. Yeah, so we need to also say drop if exists for the card items here. There we go. Let's see if that's now removed. And let's make sure this is nullable. So the reason why we want to have a UUID for the card is because we want to have a unique ID so that in the case we want to make sure that when we display the card that it's unique and no one else can access it. And we also want that just for other security reasons, and you may also have instances where you want to send an email out and then have the card UUID. So yeah, we're more likely to display this in the URL. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.